engagements, and so on. All of us, myself included, are first and foremost pen testers, right? So we are technical people. I'm not just here to read slides at you. All of this, all of the things that we'll be going through today and for the rest of the training is based on things that we have seen on actual assessments, and we essentially channel what we learn on those assessments into these training slides and into the entire session itself. So yeah, this isn't made up. I mean, to an extent, it's legally distinct from NDA protected things that have happened to us over the course of many years. Yeah, so we hack and we teach, essentially, is what all of this boils down to. And yeah, so this is me. Hello, my name is Martin. Really nice to meet all of you. I am a senior security consultant here at Not So Secure. I've been into computers from a very early age. Ever since I could be legally employed, I've been coding away, coding websites and applications and data processing utilities and things like that. And I've always had a great interest in computer security, because when you learn to code, you learn to build things. And then you learn to how to hack things, which is kind of breaking things. And that's sometimes more fun than the building side. But I love both, really. I like to code. I like to break things as well. So awesome. In an official capacity, I've been in InfoSec since about 2016. I'm very lucky to be able to get to conferences such as Blackhat or Sector or Hacking Paris, and or through many other training providers, to talk to lots of people that are interested in cloud or AppSec and things like that. From some more formal education side of things, I've got a master's degree in computer science. I know it's pretty nerdy, but I love it. I've been told it's pretty nerdy. I really like it. I've managed to acquire a bunch of certificates. If those letters mean anything to you, you know what they are. If they don't mean anything to you, don't worry about it, because it's not totally relevant. We'll be going over a lot of cloud concepts. So yeah, don't worry about it. Okay, so that's the company and that's me. I'll be your primary instructor for today, tomorrow, and so on and so on. I also have one of my colleagues here with me. His name is Manish. Hi, Manish. Manish is sort of going to be living in the shadows, helping me with all of your queries. You can already see we've got a bunch of those on Teams, so I need to check up on that as well. But yeah, essentially, you'll have two pen testers on the call for the entire session. So feel free to ask us anything, really. I can only speak for myself, but I can't stop talking about InfoSec. So feel free to ask me anything. I'm always happy to talk about anything, not even related to the training, but pen testing and computers in general. All right, so that's the intro bit. Couple of notes before we begin. There's going to be a couple of websites that are going to be quite crucial to this entire training. I believe you've already seen these websites, or at least one of them. And we've also got a rough schedule here. So obviously we're delivering this in Singapore time. I don't know if we have people from all around the world on this training. Sometimes we do. Sometimes we deliver things in US, but we have people from Europe joining. I am located in the UK. So I'm in Europe, and it's very late at night. So this is going to be interesting. I wish I could have come to Singapore, but not really feasible for various reasons. So that's why we're doing this virtually. Right, so I've got a rough schedule on the slide. I'll go over that in a second, but mainly, the main thing is we've got these websites here. So we've got the cloud2.nss.training and the tracker.training. So I'll show you both of those and what they're for and why you should keep them open throughout the training, because there's going to be a lot of interesting information on there. So let me switch to my browser really quick. Here we go. Okay, so this is the cloud2.nss.training website. I've gotten a lot of emails confirming that you are able to log in and grab the VM and everything. So I know a lot of you don't have any issues accessing this, but I've not had answers from everyone. So just in case, you should be vaguely aware of this. You should have gotten an introductory email with a link to this website and some credentials. And those credentials are very important because we will be using those credentials throughout the training for various things along the way. So please make sure you have that email on hand, because those credentials will be very useful to you. And make sure you can check out this website. The link should be in the email. If you can't find the email, or you've not received it, or just can't get your hands on it, please let us know, and we will try to get that email to you ASAP. Okay, so we did some last minute changes. So we do use a virtual machine here. Some of you may have been downloading or visiting this website whilst we were doing some last minute changes. So make sure to use the Ubuntu machine, not the Kali one. And so the Ubuntu is the correct one. It's got, this is the file name. Let me show you this. This should be the file name. So nfc-hacking and securing cloud.ova. So that should be the file name. It's about 4 gigs. So yeah, that's the correct one. If you've got anything else, that might not be the latest version. So please make sure you've got the latest one. My voice is apparently breaking up. Really sorry to hear that. Is that for anyone else, or is it just yeah, we seem to be having some audio issues with Zoom. Okay, yeah, so some people are saying not okay, some people are saying okay. Okay, might be your connection then, I think. I'm always running like a ping command in one of my other windows to make sure that nothing's fallen over. Okay. You guys are really scaring me today. Okay, I'm 2 for 2. Hopefully nothing's going to break on my side. That would be very unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, we're doing some changes. If you've got a Kali machine and not the Ubuntu one, then please download the Ubuntu one. It's about 4 gigs. You don't need to rush right now. We're going to be using it extensively, but I'm going to go over some intro slides in a second. So, you know, we'll have some, there's a buffer for you to download everything. So don't worry about it too much. If you've never used the VM before, we've got like a tutorial with screenshots for all the major platforms, how to import the VM and how to set it up. I'll also be showing you all that if anyone is struggling with that. And mainly, we've got the student pack. So the student pack is a zip file. It's a zip archive. And